Let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag means to unintentionally disclose a secret. Let's look at some example sentences. We were planning a surprise anniversary party for mom and dad, but my brother let the cat out of the bag by asking mom what kind of cake she wanted. The movie studio tried to keep the major plot twist under wraps, but an interview with one of the actors let the cat out of the bag. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. The company wanted to surprise everyone at their annual keynote, but a leaked photo of the new smartphone spoiled the surprise months early. The company wanted to surprise everyone at their annual keynote, but a leaked photo of the new smartphone let the cat out of the bag months early. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.